Hello everyone, this side Siddharth Mukherjee with my signal system that is called as a Bank Nifty signal system. So again I am coming with this Bank Nifty signal system because I have updated the code, and after updating the code you will see that there is a few lines are getting created. These lines are called as a resistance and support. So resistance lines and support lines. Okay, so these are the resistance line, these are the support lines. So how, and we have this stop loss line, as you can see that is, let's say, sky blue color and it's a pink color, correct? This is the stop loss line. And we have signals are called, there are three kind of signals. If you see that, bullish signals are there, correct? Bullish signals are there, the heavy bullish signal is there, and apart from that you will see that there is a upside arrow marks are there. So, and if this is about the upside and downside, if you see that there is a bearish signals are there, heavy bearish signal is there, and downside arrows are there. Okay, so how to trade with this chart, let me explain with you. So let's say your candle is here, okay, and heavy bullish signal came. So, or after heavy bullish signal came, if this is not an uh, you can say gap up, if the morning gap up is not there with the heavy bullish, then what you have to do, just wait for one or two candle and go long. So heavy bullish signal came here, wait for this candle to close. From the second candle you can go long, or after this candle as well you can go long. And what is your stop loss? Your stop loss is below this stop loss line. Okay, so whatever the gap up area and gap down areas are there, that is a marked here in our chart. This is the gap up area. Gap up area are exactly sky blue block box, and gap downs areas are exactly, if you see, this one is a gap down area, it is marked as an orange color box. So gap up and gap down both area are marked as an gap up and gap down. So see here, previous day close was here and next day opening was here. Okay, that's why this is the gap down area. And here if you see that close was here and next day opening was here, so this is the gap up area. And you can get that there are many this kind of boxes are there, gap down and gap up boxes, gap down box and gap up boxes are there. Okay, so I will explain you later the how to trade with those back boxes as well, but let me explain you first how to trade with the chart. So you see that whenever you see that heavy bullish area and that heavy bullish is not coming in a gap up area, take the trade, take 200 300 point and exit the trade. Okay, or you can exit near the resistance lines. Okay, in near the resistance lines you can exit the trade. If this is the resistance line, what you can do, just extend that resistance line with this line. So near this line you can close your trades. Okay, and bend if you are short trades, there is this, in the short trades, where near the support area, if support is getting break, that is okay, then you can continue the trade. If support is not getting break and you see that 2 3 dojis are getting formed, then you can, what you can do, see the previous support area, extend that support area like this, and book the trade, book your existing trade. So let's say heavy bearish came here, with this heavy bearish you close your trade here. Okay, or wait to close the stop loss line if any candle closing above this line, stop loss line. Okay, similarly here, if you see that if you have a heavy bullish is there, your stop loss line is this one. So until unless any candle is not getting closed below this line, you can continue your trades. You see that heavy bearish came here, but after this heavy bearish, you see that after two candle, third candle taking the reverse, and fourth candle proper reverse, your trade get closed here. the short trades. Okay. Now see the another trade, another another signal is exactly the bullish signal, like this one. Whenever bullish signal is coming, you can immediately take the trades or wait for closing the candle, and then from the second candle you can take the trade. Correct. Bullish signal came here, wait for closing this candle, from second candle you can take the trade. And until unless any candle is not getting closed below this line, continue your trade. And if you see that heavy bullish came here in the gap up area, this was the gap up area, and heavy bullish came here, avoid this kind of trades, because in the gap up area heavy bullish are mostly the false signal that is getting generated by the algo. So I will say that avoid this one and wait for signal, next new signals, another signal. So this signal, you see that bearish trade came here, so your this previous long trade get closed from here, and you take the short trades. Short trades came here, you continue your short trades, another heavy bearish trade came here, and your short trade, two short trades get closed with this bullish signal. So algo is assuming that you are always in a trade. So any bullish or heavy bullish trades or always get closed with next resistance line or support line, or any candle close below the stop loss line. Okay. See that bearish trade came here, you took the trade from the next candle, and until unless uh, any candle is not getting closed above this stop loss line, you continue the trade. And when to close the trade, it's upon you, what is your risk and what is your patience. You can close your trades with the next support line. On the support line you can close your trades or continue the trade until unless one candle is not closing above this stop loss line. So if you are a trend trader, so this bearish signal is there, another bearish signal is there, and then you can close your trades here with this bullish signal. Okay. So this is the way to trade with this bank nifty signal system. And another confirmation, I will tell you, if you are saying that heavy bullish is there, heavy bearish is there, then see that this kind of follow through arrow mark should be upside the candles, and it should uh, show the direction towards the downside. Okay. If candles if arrows are upside, then this is the most probably a sideways zone. So wait for new signal to come. So you see that bearish signal came here and properly the downside arrows are coming. That means your trade is good, and hold it. Trade is good, hold it. Trade is good, hold it. Now so you see that bullish signal came here, arrows are upside. So because these arrows are exactly the another third signal, the third signal is saying that your trade with which you are right now is a good to hold. And until unless this signal is not turning into closing basis not turning into orange, don't close your trades. Okay. So you see that you see that here you bearish trade was there, properly orange signals were coming, that means you are good to hold this trade. And till it came here still orange is there, and then it this orange turned into green here, that means you can close the trade. So if your short trade is there, this trade will get closed here. Okay. This heavy bullish came here, no follow through is there, follow through started from here, that means your trade should start from here only. Okay. So green arrow, this heavy bullish is there, and previously we have this upside arrow with the green color. Green color, you can, it's a lime blue color, green color. Good to hold, good to hold until unless heavy bearish signal is not coming, or your new signal is not coming. Okay, so the bearish signal came here, then your trade, this trade get closed with this trade. Okay, and how to trade with the boxes, whatever the gap up and gap down boxes are there. If you see that these boxes are there, these boxes are exactly showing the gap up boxes. So bank nifty having nature that most of the time it is filling the 50% of the gap up box. Sometime it is not filling, I have seen that sometime it is not filling, but most of the time, that is 70 to 80% of time, it is filling the 50% or 100% of the gap up area or gap down area. So if any gap ups are happening, most probability is there, either it will be the sideways or it will come to fill the gaps. So wait for taking the long trades if in the gap up area, and wait to fill this gap up area. When gap up areas get filled, then in the downside whatever the gap up low area is there, on that area you can take the long trades, or take us if you see that sideways are happening, then what you can do, just do the you write your call and put both, and close the trade end of the day, then you will be in a good profit. So this is the, again, so this kind of, so continuously gap ups are happening, one two three gap ups happened. After this gap up, you see that bearish signal came here, and this bearish signal get negated with this bullish signal, but again bearish signal came here. As you see that bearish bullish if regularly coming, that means that is a sideways zone, and that sideways zone you can identify that, see this is the resistance area, and this is the support area. If you see that this line, if you extend this line, if you extend this line, this is the support area. Okay, and this is the another support area. So our gap up and gap down boxes are also creating the support and resistance area kind of things. So if you see that this upper layer of this gap up box make as a support, and from the support zone it bounced back, then it came down, it break the support, previous support, it retested that area again to go upside, but it came down again. Okay, so these kind of things you can also identify. Another way to trade is that you see that here is also heavy bearish signal came and gap down is also there. Wait for one or two candle and then do the trades, and proper orange signals are coming, that means your trade is good. You can go with the short trades and hold it till any one candle is not closing the above the stop loss line. Okay, okay, and you can identify that support and resistance zone whenever sideways are happening now. You see that whatever our stop loss line is there now, that become flat, that become flat, stop loss line will become flat. See this is the stop loss line become flat. This area was totally uh, your sideways zone, correct. You see that this area was sideways zone because this is a flat, this area was sideways zone, flat. Okay, so whenever you see that any flat stop loss line, that means that this area is exactly the sideways area. See this is the flat, so sideways area, flat sideways area, because no direction upside or downside, it will be limited to one point upside and one point downside, and from there it will roam like up and down kind of thing. So you see that this is also sideways, this is also sideways. Okay, so you can trade with this my tool in 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour chart. I will show you the result. If you see that we have result of 139% profit with bank nifty signal system on 30-minute chart. When you go to the 15-minute, result is around 91%, only 91%. Okay, and when you go with the 1 hour chart, result is 162%. So with this kind of percentage you can make lots of money. Just follow the system and follow the chart and follow the signals. If you are following the signal, there is no one can stop you to make the profit with this tool. If any Hindi speaking guy is there or other language speaking guy is there, like I'm making most of the videos in English, because the audience should be all over the world, and there should not be any kind of a language constraint, because most of the country and in our India as well, states are giving education in English from class, from primary class. Okay, so English is nowadays the common language all over the world. That's why most of the in most of the my videos I have used English. Otherwise, if you will say, if you comment, I can create this videos in Hindi as well. So I have shown you each and everything. Another thing I want to speak you, if you want to use Heikanasi with my tool, results are awesome. Let me show you. So there is no any clutter with these results. Now see the result with the 1 hour chart, 144%, 30-minute chart, 102%, and 15-minute chart, 67%. Okay, so with the Heikanasi you can see that you do the bearish trade, and it's going on and going on. You will close with the bullish. Bearish trade is there, you will close with this bullish. Bearish trade is there, you will close with the bullish trade. Okay, so your trades will close with the next signal, or any candle closing with the closing above the stop loss line. Okay, so you see that how our trading system is working. One second, I have to take this call. Okay, so I think I have explained each and everything. So with the Heiken Asin as well, you can trade with my charts, and results are very much clear. Heavy bullish, heavy bearish are coming. So until unless new signals are not coming, don't close with the Heiken Asi doji, or seeing the any red candle, because my system is a trend trading kind of style I have implemented. So until unless signals are not coming with the Heiken Ashi as well, don't close the trades, because might be possibility is that you will miss the trade for next 2 3 days, because my signal system is not giving frequent trades daily basis. it is a it is generating trades in a 2 3 days. uh, Signals will come very less, but whatever the signals are coming, that is much accurate, and giving accuracy in terms of making the money. Okay, my number is 8800 111 363. If you have a confusion, call me. I can explain you about the my bank nifty signal system. This is costing 1000 rupees per month, yearly 12,000 rupees. I can give you 20% discount, that will cost you 10,000 rupees yearly. Okay, and hope your share market journey will be helpful with my trading tool. Okay, and this trading tool I have created with lot of efforts, and after lot of efforts, and a lot of research. Okay, so don't underestimate the tool. I am making the weekly basis 30,000 with this tool only. Thank you. Thank you everyone.